Capstone Assignment 3. Ocean acidification has major impacts on oceans everywhere, especially the Caribbean. Ocean warming leads to several issues within marine environments, including sea level rise and ocean circulation. The Caribbean is so susceptible to ocean acidification due to its location to coastal zones. It is also highly susceptible due to the burning of fossil fuels and other human activities, which cause direct changes within the ocean's acidification. This is a threat because it can affect marine life, coastal reefs, and make coastal regions of the Caribbean more vulnerable to storm surges. Ocean acidification refers to the lowering of ocean pH. Seawater saturation in the Caribbean has decreased by approximately 3% each decade. Caribbean regions have also seen decreasing pH levels for the last 20 years. The rising seawater acidity is already affecting shellfish and sea corals in the Caribbean region, unable to build their shells. This ocean acidification has many effects on communities in the Caribbean. Communities of people rely on the ocean for food and their livelihoods. Jobs such as fishing and sailing are being affected. Overfishing and pollution are also big problems affecting Caribbean communities. Solutions are being worked on to figure out how to reduce ocean acidification in the Latin America and Caribbean regions. HSH Prince Albert II of Monaco attended a regional meeting of the Ocean Acidification International Reference User Group. Here, important leaders discussed the risks and possible solutions of ocean acidification. They discussed the vulnerability of marine life, temperatures in the oceans, and the complexities of cold water ecosystems. They then discussed how the region can cope with these issues, identifying funds for moving forward, an increase in scientific exploration of the region's problems, communication, and policy decisions. The meeting was funded by the Prince Albert II Foundation, and the members who attended will continue in the future to work on funding the restoration of the Caribbean region and work to stop ocean acidification.